Looking for real work-from-home jobs that pay you every single week? Whether you want a side hustle or a full-time gig, today you'll discover 5 legit remote jobs that actually send money to your account. Fast. First up, freelance writing. Websites, blogs, and online magazines constantly need content. You can write articles, social posts, or product descriptions and get paid weekly through sites like Textbroker, Writer Access, or Upwork. If you've got good grammar and can meet deadlines, this one's perfect. Pro tip: start with short blog posts, then build your portfolio for higher pay. Next, virtual assistant jobs. Businesses hire VAs to handle emails, social media, scheduling, and data entry. You can find these gigs on Belay, Time, etc., and Fancy Hands, which often pay weekly via PayPal. If you're organized and reliable, this could easily become a full-time income. Number 3, online tutoring. If you're good at math, English, or any subject, sites like Cambly or Preply pay tutors weekly for helping students online. No degree, no problem. Many platforms only need clear communication and patience. Number 4, remote customer support. Companies like LiveOps, Working Solutions, and Arise let you work from home as an independent agent. You'll answer calls or chats and get weekly paychecks, sometimes with bonuses for performance. And finally, microtask jobs like user testing, ClickWorker, or remote tasks. These platforms pay you weekly for short online tasks, testing websites, tagging images, or giving feedback on apps. It's flexible, fast, and easy to start. So whether you love writing, organizing, teaching, or testing, there's a weekly pay job waiting for you online. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your earnings grow, right from your living room. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment "Ready to work from homes" below.